Last year, Royal Oak Schools wanted to become more energy efficient. To solve this, they installed LED lights into all of their classrooms. What is the difference? This switch is the traditional on or off style. Pretty boring. These switches are a bit more complicated. This turns the light to max brightness. This turns the lights off. The round middle button resets the lights. These buttons allow you to manually adjust the lights. What do the teachers think about these new lights?
I like the new lights very much because I've never been a fan of overly bright fluorescent lights. And now the fact that I've got a dimmer switch where I can have those lights on so that it's not dark in the classroom to avoid the fluorescent lighting, but now I can bring it down to a level that's comfortable for my eyes, for other students' eyes, but able to make them brighter when working on something together or have them completely off when we're screening projects.
I like the ability to dim them. I like that it's a little less fatigue my eyes throughout the course of the day. I'm a big fan.
I would say I prefer the new ones.
I absolutely prefer these.